Everyone loves short consumable content. Content that is easy to create and can be used to leverage content to grow your audience and make more sales. So today I'm going to be discussing why short content is so popular and how you can earn money from actually selling short content. I like to call it snackable content, and it's really things that cover a variety of consumable products that are short and that people can get through quickly. Things like printables, tip sheets, checklists, snippets of content. These are all the types of things where people do not need to set aside huge blocks of time. They can just visit it and go through it relatively quickly and easily. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing why this is popular, some great topics you can use, some examples, and the benefits of creating this type of content. So people love short and concise content because it's attention grabbing and entertaining. And also, I think just because the way people are today, people just don't have the time or the attention span to plow through huge amounts of content. They really don't. So people want to get quick tips. They want to get little bite-sized pieces of information. And you can create short content for almost anything. So some popular topics include gardening tips, home decor, wedding planning, food recipe. Basically, anything that's a niche that people are interested in is something that will be good for short, snackable content. So, for example, here are some social media cheat sheets that connect with an audience who need quick solutions. This is a social media cheat sheet, and then we have some more tips here. We have a checklist for parents, a yard and garden checklist, and so forth. So, this is really good for people who want to get the essential information quickly. Here's another example of a wedding planning checklist. And another reason this types of content are great is that a lot of times we need to isolate the important parts of a process and we need to make sure it's going in the correct order. So with this type of thing, it's great at providing details and keeping things organized. It uses eye-catching fonts and a collection of tips to help with the stress of wedding planning. So if you haven't really given a lot of thought to creating short content, you might want to do so just because there's a lot of benefits. For example, the demand is increasing. It's a lot easier to create short content than it is, 100, 200, 300 page book, for example. And it really lends itself to any topic for the most part. So if you'd like a great way to get started with creating short snackable content, check out TipPub Creator. This is my software, which comes preloaded with tons of tips that you can put together quickly and easily to create things like tip sheets, cheat sheets, and checklists. It also allows you to add in your own content as well. You can get the link below and see the demo video to see how it works.